Welcome everyone to this event of a lifetime, where today we bring together Dylan and Sha'uri in holy matrimony. You all have not been invited here on accident, but intentionally to be inspired, to be amazed, to be in awe what God has already done. There's a reading from the Art of Marriage that says, happiness in marriage is not something that just happens. A good marriage must be created. In the art of marriage, the little things are the big things. It's never being too old to hold hands. It's remembering to say I love you at least once a day. It's never going to sleep angry. The courtship should not end with the honeymoon, but it should last throughout all the years. It is having a mutual sense of values and common objectives. It is standing together facing the world. It is forming a circle of love that gathers throughout the whole family. It is doing things for each other, not in the attitude of duty or sacrifice, but in the spirit of joy. It is speaking words of appreciation and demonstrating gratitude in thoughtful ways. It is not looking for perfection in each other, but it is cultivating flexibility, patience, understanding, and a sense of humor. It is having the capacity to forgive and forget. It is giving each other an atmosphere in which each of you can grow. It is finding room for things of the Spirit. It is a common search for the good and the beautiful. It is establishing a relationship where the independence is equal, the dependence is mutual, and the obligation reciprocal. It is not only marrying the right partner, but it is absolutely being the right partner. It is discovering what marriage can be at its best.
No, we just can't wait forever. We can make it out together and let all of the past be the past, and we can have all that we've ever wanted.
Well, Sha'uri, babe, beautiful, all the other things I call you. We both know I'm not going to be the best at this, but just as everything else I'll do in life, I'm going to give it my best shot and see how it goes. Looking back over the years, I see how far I've become as a man. I could thank a lot of people for helping me become the person I am today, but I can only give true credit to one individual for helping me shape myself into the confident, caring, sensible, and happy man that I am today. That person is you, Sha'uri Brewster. The words I would need to say to thank you have not yet been written on paper because they don't exist. Every word that I know or that I could look up, Google, find in a dictionary simply would not equal the grand gesture that you deserve. You are my person, and I owe you a lifetime of love, happiness, cheeriness, and bliss. I am devoted to giving you and I the life of our dreams. So with that being said, I promise to respect, admire, and appreciate you for who you are, as well as the person you wish to become. I promise to always help you reach your goals in life and support you through misfortune and celebrate your triumphs. I promise to always do my best to meet your needs, not out of obligation, but because I want to see you happy. I promise that I will be kind and fair in all challenges we might face, and that I will be a team player when conquering those challenges. I promise to always share my food, even when I don't want to. I promise to always keep your feet warm at night. I promise I'll do my best to make sure the seat is down, I turn the lights off, and make sure the doors are locked at night so we're both safe. I promise to always handle the bugs and the critters you come across, and to hold your hand anytime you were scared. I promise to always spoil you more than I spoil my cars. I promise to always feed you, and we both know how important that is. But most important, I promise you I will always love and cherish you every moment of our lives together, and then add like another 100 years. The thanks.
If someone asked you to describe your future wife 3 years ago, would you have imagined me? In the last 3.5 years, we have grown into new people together. You have been my greatest support that I could ever have asked for and the best friend I didn't know I needed. I have watched you grow into the man I stand here with today, and I am in awe. The road wasn't easy, and at times I thought you might quit, but look at us now. I can't imagine my life with anyone other than you. I vow to be the hype man over your shoulder or under your arm, the greatest cheerleader and your very best friend. I vow to hold you up when you're feeling down. I vow to be the family that everyone needs and you deserve. You are my cheerleader, my dance partner, my backup, my sounding board, my punching bag, my partner in crime, because you know I like to set some shit on fire, and my very best friend. I'll cook the grains if you do the mains. I'll give you kisses if you do the dishes. I'll strike a pose because you know how that goes. I'll spend the rest of my life laughing with you or at you, and you are the other half of my heart, and I am so honored to have found my sweetheart.
Well, Dylan, Sha'uri, it is my absolute honor and privilege this afternoon, in front of everyone that you absolutely adore and love, to pronounce you husband and wife. Dylan, you may now officially kiss your wife. Ladies and gentlemen, I would like to introduce to you all, as a married couple for the very first time, Mr. and Mrs. Dylan and Sha'uri Hart.